Good morning, students. Today our topic is more about equations. Last week you dealt how to solve equations involving one operation. Today we will be discussing how to solve an equation having two operations. Solving an equation. Your question is solve the following equations. First question, 3n plus 7 equal to 25. 3n plus 7 equal to 25. What will you do to find the value of n? First, you should know which are the operations done here. You can see plus 7. Plus 7, when you transpose to the other side, it becomes minus 7. Once again, plus 7, when you transpose to the other side, it becomes minus 7. 3n is equal to 25 minus 7. What is the next step? 25 minus 7 is equal to 18. So 3n is equal to 18. What is the operation here? 3n. 3n means 3 into n. That is 3 when you take to the other side, it becomes division. n is equal to 18 by 3. What is that? n equal to 18 by 3. What is 18 by 3? 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So what did you get as the value of n? n is equal to 6. So the solution for the equation 3n plus 7 equal to 25 is n equal to 6. Here which are the two operations involved? Multiplication and addition. We will go to the next question. Next question is 2p minus 1 equal to 23. 2p minus 1 equal to 23. Can you tell me which are the two operations involved here? The first one is subtraction and the second one is multiplication. So you will take addition to the other side. What happens? It becomes subtraction becomes addition. So 2p equal to 23 plus 1. This minus 1, when it went to the other side, it became plus 1. So 2p equal to 23 plus 1. What is 23 plus 1? 2p equal to 24. Now which is the operation here? Here the operation is 2 into p. What multiplication happens when you go to the other side? It becomes division. So p is equal to 24 by 2. What is 24 divided by 2? 24 divided by 2 is 12. So the solution of this equation is p equal to 12. Let's see the next question. Students, today we will be solving such equations. You will have 5 questions in this. So let us see the third question. The third question is 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Reading the question once again. 5m plus 7 equal to 17. What are the two operations dealt here? The two operations dealt here are multiplication and addition. As discussed before, addition when goes to the other side, it becomes subtraction. So what is 17 minus 7? It is 10. So 5m is equal to 10. So what is m? m is equal to 10 divided by 5. Can you tell me what is 10 divided by 5? Yes, it is m is equal to 2. So what is the solution of this equation? The solution of 5m plus 7 equal to 17 is m equal to 2. M equal to 2. How can you say that it is the solution of this equation? Let's see. If I put 5 into 2 plus 7, what happens? 5 into 2, 10 plus 7. What is that? 17. So what is the meaning of the solution? When instead of m I put 2, I'll get 17. That is what we call as a solution of the equation. Okay, the value of the variable which makes the equation true is known as its solution. Let's go to the fourth question. 2q plus 6 equal to 12. 2q plus 6 equal to 12. So what is the first step? You should take plus 6 to the other side. You should take plus 6 to the other side. Plus 6 went to the other side. It became minus 6. 12 minus 6. What is 12 minus 6? It is 6. So 2q equal to 6. Can you tell me what is the operation between 2 and q? I am asking you, what is the operation between 2 and q? Very good. It is multiplication. 2 into q is equal to 6. So when 2 is taken to the other side, it becomes division. Q is equal to 6 divided by 2. So q is equal to 3. Next one. Fifth one. 10p plus 10 equal to 100. 10p plus 10 equal to 100. I don't have to explain it more. So 10p is equal to 100 minus 10. What is 100 minus 10? It's 90. So 10p equal to 90. So p is equal to 90 divided by 10. What is 90 divided by 10? P equal to 9. So you understood that the solution of the equation 10p plus 10 equal to 100 is p equal to 9. So by this we end our today's session. Attempt the test paper and send it back. Have a nice day, children.